Hello everyone, it is I, hello, Crabmuffin 343 here, and today, or based technically last night, I found a broken up iPad that still has some power into it. Obviously, the screen is hooped and toast. As you could also tell, there's like a crack right on the monitor, well, not monitor, but the screen itself. But the good news is, it looks like, despite the screen all messed up and stuff, it looks like it's still functional in that sense. It's just a shame that the screen's busted. So what we're going to do, hopefully, today is see if we can get it repaired or something at the Apple Store. I highly doubt they're going to fix it. They're going to probably just tell me, like, to send it to recycle, which is a shame because all it needs is just get the screen fixed up and basically to get the body to somewhat to get it a little buffed out. There's some dings and stuff here. It was somebody, I think, basically, I think, if I remember correctly, I think I've seen this one before. It was outside, right by a light post, and there's Bess. Yeah, somebody put it up there, but I think it was also on the ground, based on the dirt on the back. Yep. And I think it was just out there for who knows how long, for 2 or 3 or 4 months. And it's amazing how there's still power. This is the thing. I just gave it a bit of a boost, a charge, and away it goes. So anyways, wish me luck. And you never know, might get this iPad working and stuff, get it repaired. But it'd probably be better off just to buy a whole new one, but I don't really want to ultimately. I just want to see if we could maybe get it repaired. But we'll have to see. Alright, that's what's been happening with me. Got this thing. So, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.